Introducing the world's most efficient fan. This fan isn't just for the garage, it's a game changer in poorly ventilated spaces like attics and basements, places where your air conditioner can't reach. What's even better is its minimal operational cost, just a few cents per hour. You won't have to worry about soaring utility bills. This fan's air circulation is incredibly effective. It can refresh the air in a garage every 3 to 4 minutes. The ES-1500 version comes with a 41 by 41 cm ventilation grill and includes a special valve to prevent fire spread in emergencies. While it's priced at $450 per unit, the manufacturers are confident this investment will pay off in under 3 years. Let's now examine this cutting-edge solution designed specifically for auto mechanics and workshops. This specialized lighting system is tailored for the meticulous art of automotive detailing, which includes tasks like degreasing, washing, polishing, and applying protective coatings to both the exterior and interior, including engine bays. Due to the precision required, factors like angle, color temperature, brightness, and other parameters are taken into account. Notably, the carefully selected color rendering index helps professionals visualize how the vehicle will look in natural sunlight, eliminating the need to take it outside. However, it's essential to be aware that these advanced lighting solutions can come with a significant price tag, with even simpler options from Chinese manufacturers costing around $2,000. Garages are treasure troves of storage for many, including none other than former US President Joe Biden, who once stored confidential documents in his. That's why it's time to consider a revolutionary storage system that not only maximizes space, but also saves energy. Our smart shelves glide effortlessly on cables, controlled by your smartphone. They can securely hold up to 159 kilograms and operate smoothly at heights of around 4 meters. This wireless system offers over 15 design options, and you can even add a workbench or bike rack on top for added versatility. For pricing details and a free consultation, get in touch. Transform your garage into a space-efficient powerhouse today. This is indeed a priceless gift for tire fitters and an indispensable tool for both mechanics and car owners. The concept is elegantly simple. Instead of juggling an array of separate tools, the creators present a versatile base that easily adapts with various attachments, tailored precisely to your specific task. Need an impact wrench? No worries! This tool boasts an impressive torque capacity of up to 100 Newton meters. In need of a pump? Absolutely! It can pump up to an impressive 35 liters per minute. What's more, it's designed for utmost user-friendliness, featuring a single button to activate each function. Included in the package are 4 hex heads, ranging in size from 17 to 23 millimeters, covering the majority of automotive needs. Regrettably, the Kickstarter campaign didn't meet its goal, possibly due to the initial price point of $400. Dry ice serves a multitude of purposes, and one of its lesser-known talents is its ability to repel mosquitoes. However, today, we're focusing on a product tailored for automotive enthusiasts. Introducing the innovative dry ice blasting system for car cleaning. In the past, these systems were exclusive to large-scale workshops, sporting a hefty price tag north of $15,000. But this unique version shatters convention by offering an affordable alternative at just $7,000. Its compact, lightweight design, weighing in at a mere 19 kilograms, makes it perfect for tackling tight spaces and reaching those stubborn, hard-to-access areas. With operating pressures ranging from 2 to 8 bar, this system guarantees safe and effective cleaning for both plastic and metal surfaces. Plus, the manufacturer emphasizes that this method is not only environmentally friendly but also more cost-effective than other alternatives. Have you ever observed the uncomfortable positions auto mechanics have to endure? They could certainly use a bit of added comfort, and this Canadian-made chair offers a solution. Custom crafted, it does take around 10 weeks to produce, but the wait is absolutely worth it. A standout feature is the adjustable backrest, which smoothly transitions from 10 to 75 degrees with a motor. Powered by two 18-volt batteries and equipped with sturdy wheels, it's rightfully dubbed the Beast. Convenient side trays accommodate tools and parts. What's more, the manufacturer can create bespoke versions upon request. Even in the demanding setting of an aircraft factory, professionals would willingly invest $4,000 in this chair for the unparalleled comfort it provides. The BeadBuster team proudly presents their revolutionary product, the XB452, setting new standards for portable tire bead breakers worldwide. With good reason, they exude confidence in this versatile tool, capable of handling vehicles ranging from go-karts and ATVs to hefty trucks, regardless of rim size or material. Weighing in at under 2 kilograms, it's incredibly portable, fitting comfortably in a car trunk or even a bag, catering to the needs of mobile crews. What sets it apart is the ingenious clamp design, leaving no room for scratches, dents, or any other imperfections on your precious rims. It's no surprise they've secured a patent for it. With a modest price tag of $149, this investment in the XB452 is not just reasonable but essential for any vehicle enthusiast or professional. In Germany alone, there were over 1 million traffic accidents in the first half of 2022. Now, just imagine the global scale of accidents and the immense workload it creates for car repairs worldwide. Fortunately, there are some incredibly helpful tools originating from Germany. These tools boast an innovative honeycomb structure and incorporate carbon fiber inserts, making them remarkably lightweight. This ingenious design significantly reduces fatigue, even when working with heavy materials like aluminum or steel, all at an impressive width of 1.6 meters. Their motto is repair, don't replace, and they even offer top-notch training courses to enhance efficiency. The fact that they have established partnerships with industry giants like Audi, Scania, and Porsche speaks volumes about the exceptional quality and effectiveness of their tools. Smart home manufacturers are taking a leap forward by extending their product range to include garage accessories. With over 2 billion cars on the road in just a few years, who wouldn't want a smarter garage? Their offerings include a parking assistant for 1 or 2 cars, a gate sensor to check garage door status anytime, a powerful pump with an 8-meter hose, an extension cord with 3 outlets and an 8-meter cord, and a versatile lighting and sound system that syncs with your smartphone and other smart garage devices. This complete package is priced around $600, and it's all easily managed through a single app. Elevate your garage experience today. The concept of a portable winch powered solely by a cordless drill more than justifies its $623 price tag. Even the basic model, equipped with 2 cables, can effortlessly hoist a remarkable 600 kilograms and execute full 360-degree rotations. Each kit comes with a generous 12-meter cable, but it's adaptable to longer ones, stretching up to 50 meters. This winch operates at a swift pace of 3.7 meters per minute under its maximum load, and it boasts a patented self-locking brake, ensuring utmost safety during operation. Remarkably lightweight at approximately 4 kilograms, excluding cables, this winch is highly recommended by the manufacturer for both skilled fitters and dedicated construction workers. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.